Ladies and gentlemen, Six Fig Stock Trader here on YouTube, and today, folks, we are going to be talking Ergo. Now, the last video I did was on October 25th, which is 4 days ago. I was alerting that Ergo is in a falling wedge. So, if you didn't see that video, it is important to follow me on Twitter at Real6Fig. This is where I drop news, upcoming videos and charts when I cannot make it to a computer to put out a video. So with that said, we'll go back to Ergo and just kind of see exactly where this thing is sitting. So we got the bounce, we had the falling wedge, we knew that it was a matter of time. We have seen price action exit this price or this falling wedge right now, and currently we are sitting at $10.55. which is right exactly here. We are pressing up against this 200 moving average, and this is on the 4-hour chart. So let's see what this looks like on a 15-minute chart. Okay, and so we can definitely see how we have a clean cut right through this upper trend line. So we are now pressing on the 382 Fibonacci extension. So let's figure out where this thing bounced from. I'm going to go ahead and delete all of this, but we can see that Ergo retraced all the way down to the 177 and then bounced. So that's a pretty incredible bounce for this to happen. I would have totally expected that Ergo would have just bounced off the 127, but it did not, and it didn't even get held up by the 161.8. So currently we are in a fragile state because price could get rejected at this 200 moving average, and we might come back down to retest the 161.8 level. But I do have a feeling that what we are seeing, bear with me one second while I get the right time frame pulled up, is this inverse head and shoulders that could possibly be forming something like this, and we might be seeing price action get hung up right at about $11.28, and we may see it come back down to about $9, and then we might see it execute to the upside. So this is definitely giving me Wyckoff vibes as well. We're not going to get into that though, but I do think that Ergo is on the mends from this huge downward swing. I do think that Ergo has a good chance at turning around right now. So let's go ahead and just kind of figure out where this thing could possibly go from the current price. So bear with me one second here. I would say that for now, it would be safe to maybe predict that we will see Ergo really kind of run up through this 100% level, get back to this $11.84 mark, but this $12.90 mark is where it's going to get kind of juicy. And I do think that in the meantime, we might see price action kind of work its way up to this 100% level and then maybe retrace a little bit down to really form out this inverse head and shoulders that we could be seeing. So we had some very significant corrective waves occur to the downside as well. So I do think that the pain and suffering is over for the most part. We can see that we are finding support at around this $7.90 level where we were at just yesterday, and we can see that there was some support here back in August as well. So that is a good thing, and we might be seeing Ergo really do a great bounce here. I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of try to assume or figure out the projection that this thing could really move in. So I do think that as long as we can stay within this pitchfork, things will be good. We definitely can see that Ergo is crushing it today. So let's just throw up a Fibonacci channel as well and see where we're at. And so again, you can see we're right at the 326, gunning for this 382 extension. So this is good news for Ergo, and I do think that we will see price action really come up to this $12.50 level for the time being. Not financial or trading advice or anything like that, but I just wanted to provide everyone with a quick update on Ergo. Let's look at this on a daily chart. And you can see in the video I did the other day, I was speculating how far away from the cloud Ergo was, and that's usually a good sign that price action is ready to kind of reverse. So we might see Ergo try to climb up rapidly. This would be the best area for Ergo to pass through the cloud for the time being into November. Otherwise, if we get rejected by this 50 moving average or the cloud, we will see price kind of topple down for sure. So this is definitely going to be a good avenue for Ergo to really climb through in the next week and a half, I would say. So we'll follow Ergo a little bit more and more since this thing is starting to pump. And we will give you guys an update on this in a couple days. So hope you guys enjoyed this TA today. And big shout out to all the Patreons. Thank you all for the support. It's $3 a month. You can get your name, YouTube channel name, or business name up on this banner. You guys all have a wonderful day.